I go see it. Boy, what are you feeding this animal?
What do you mean?
Fat as a house. My God, look at the size of him.
What thing is that to say, Larry?
He's not fat. He's lean. He's just right.
Thank you.
He's a gorgeous. What do you feed the dog?
Food, dog food.
Where do you live?
Just around the neighborhood.
Oh, no, they live about 2 blocks up. Big gray house with white columns.
White column.
Yeah, can't miss it. It's right on the right side.
2 blocks?
Yeah. I'll be right down. This is Sung, Cheryl, Susie, Oscar.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
He's a beautiful dog. Oh. Mm-hmm.
What are you eating, Sung?
Leri, this is a fresh meat. It's a quite delectable.
What kind of meat?
The best kind. Only the best for Song.
So, I don't know if you're aware of this or not, but, Oscar's missing.
Oh, that's too bad. He's a good dog.
Yeah, he's a good dog.
Yes.
Yeah. You wouldn't happen to know anything about it, would you?
No, Larry.
Huh. Are you sure?
Yes.